This video shows you how to make your histogram for experiment 2.1, and this one will be most useful for period 1 and maybe period 6 and 7. I'll let you know in class. Now, I have already set up my histogram with my two axes. So on my x-axis I have the change in mass, which is in grams, and then on my y-axis I have the frequency. The y-axis tells you how many points you have in each bin. So it should go up 1, 2, 3, however many you need for your data set. So you just need to make sure you've got enough that all of your data is going to fit on this. Now for period 1, we chose a bin size of 0.02 grams, and we put 0 in the middle of a bin. So if I put 0 in the middle of a bin, I'm not going to be labeling the middles of the bins. I'm going to be labeling their edges. Because when we make a histogram, you're sorting data into buckets. So you label the edges of your bins and you say, okay, every data point that's between this and this goes in this bin. So if my bin size is 0.02 and 0 is in the middle of the bin, that means this edge is negative 0.01 and this edge is positive 0.01. That makes the width of this 0.02 because 0.01 plus 0.01 equals 0.02. Now in both directions, I'm going to count by 0.02s. So that makes this 0.03, and this is negative 0.03, negative 0.05, negative 0.07, negative 0.09, and so on and so forth. Okay, now that I have all my bins labeled, now I'm going to sort my data into bins. And I'm going to color in one box for every data point. Let's do this first data point first. Negative 0.02 grams. So where does it fit? What is it between? It's between 0.03 and negative 0.01. So negative 0.02 goes here. So I color in that box. Next data point, positive 0.02 grams. Where does it belong? Well, it's between 0.01 and 0.03. So it goes in this box. Color it in. Done. Negative 0.23 grams. That one is right on the line. If it's right on the line, you always put it in the one to the right. So it goes here. 0.00 grams goes here. Negative 0.12 grams. Where do you think it goes? Yes, it goes here. So you're going to keep going, coloring in one box per data point until you have a graph that shows you how many data points belong in each bin.